think something big.
Hey guys, today's video, walking down to the rocks. It's pretty windy, but we'll be pretty shuttered down at the rocks, so hopefully we've got our heavier gear, so try and get a kingy or just some nice big winter snapper. Got all the gear, all the bait, and yeah, I've got my rods on the back, all the gear. Storm's coming with us. He likes going out on the beach, so it's good to bring him. So we'll probably walk for about half an hour, then yeah, we'll be down at the rocks and we'll let you know when we're there. Okay, we've made it to the rocks. Well, pretty much anyway. And yeah, now we're just gonna walk around. We're gonna look for any fish. Might cast at them with the poppers and stuff. But yeah, we'll let you know what we do when we're there. Okay, we made it onto the rocks. I'm just walking over to a point over here. I'm gonna take some casts with the lure. Man, it's pretty windy. Trying to not get wet. Here we go. Now I just gotta see if I can get something. Okay, so we've just walked around this little corner on the rocks and it's actually no wind around here. It's actually nice and flat. So I've taken a few casts, nothing yet. It's the lure I got on right here. Nice sized lure. So yeah, hopefully we can get a kingfish. Okay, so it's really flat down here, even though it's really windy everywhere else, because we've got a really good wind for fishing off these rocks. At the moment I'm just casting this real small lure on my light setup, and I'm just going to try and get a small kahawai or a medium sized kahawai for a live bait, hopefully for a kingfish. Okay, starting the rain. I don't know if you can see over there, but it's actually choppy over there. Down here it's pretty flat, super clear, so hopefully that doesn't affect the fishing. But we've got ages, like we've still got like 5, 6, maybe even more hours to stay these rocks if you want to. We've got some bait, poppers, lures, everything. We're just gonna stay for ages. Hopefully we can get a kingy, kahawai, whatever. We just want to catch some fish. Okay, what we're doing now is just getting anything that we can find around rocks, like crabs. We got a little bit of bait that we're doing, oysters, little bits of shellfish and all that. We're going to chum them up, try and get some bait fish around for a livey. Hopefully some kahawai or whatever. Just try and get something around. Nathaniel's just hooked up. It's definitely a kahawai. Well, maybe a rat kingy.
No.
Trying to go for that reef.
Ooh, yeah, boy. It was on half a piper too.
There'll probably be a couple more around it.
And I stuck my bait liner on. Hit him one. Hit him set the hook. Oh. Yeah, he's a kahawai. Looks like it.
Wait, should I stick them on as a livey?
Snapper.
Is it? Oh yeah?
Legal.
That's actually it's a nice size snapper.
Oh.
Hold them up.
Oh, I did.
Yeah. The first fish of the day. It's a pretty nice size snapper. Hopefully there's a couple more around.
You pouring down now. Woo! Pretty wet. But yeah, hopefully we can get some more snapper. Even though it's raining, that can be good because we've been fishing off where it's raining and did really good. So yeah, let's do this. Thomas is on. He's something pretty big, obviously.
I think.
What do you reckon it is? Something big. Whew. What do you reckon it is?
I don't know.
Oh, I reckon a big snapper. He's big. Maybe a kingy?
Maybe.
Maybe a small kingy? He's peeling, Jake.
Whatever it is, it's pretty
Big.
Oh, hopefully we don't lose him.
Keep that tension on him, basically. I reckon he's snapper. Yeah, I was going to say snapper, I reckon.
Yeah, I think he's a snapper.
Yeah, I think you're coming in now. He screamed at the start.
Yeah, because I had my drag pretty loose. Oh, what is he then?
Snapper.
Huh?
Nah, snapper.
Oh, I don't want him to go down to that reef. That's where he's gone. Alright, he's a snapper.
Yeah.
Grab the scales out the bag.
Grab the scales, Elijah.
Oh, it's a nice one.
He's a good one. Oh yeah.
Let's take it down to the...
That's my lure. I got a good one from.
Should just be able to...
Yeah.
It's a nice one. Really on, Gus? Yeah.
Yeah.
How quickly just keep that thing from going in the water. Quickly grab the scale.
How big do you reckon he is? 10 pound?
Yeah, 10.
How much is? I reckon he's like 10 or even a little bit bigger.
Yeah. Oh, he's a good one. Oh, he almost swallowed it. Stop.
Okay, there he is. 12 pounds. The weight him.
12 pound snapper. He put up a pretty good fight. We're going to release this one. He's a pretty nice size one. Be a brilliant breeder. And yeah, let's send him home. Nathaniel's hooked up. Looks like a pretty good fish. Oh yeah.
My drag's pretty tight.
Oh yeah. Don't put your drag too tight because you don't have to.
I know, I'm just gonna leave it like this. Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a fat snapper.
Nice little snapper, I'll weigh him and then see how big he is, but nice little healthy fat snapper. He's probably on to someone's line. snapper. That is
in the rain.
flying.
It's pouring, but yeah, we're starting to get onto some fish. I mean, they ain't anything massive, but yeah, the fish are coming around.
He's on.
Gone. Alright, snapper. I don't know how big.
Reckon illegal?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Got some pretty thumpy.
Just news to that last one, huh?
Huh?
Just news to that last big one.
Nah, she feels quite small. I don't reckon he'll be illegal. Nah, he's not legal. Maybe. Nah, he's not legal. I'll let him
Nah, yeah, you know. Woo, no snapper.
Okay, it's pretty bad weather. It's not that windy, but really windy. I mean, really rainy. We're soaking out here, just hoping that we can get nice big snapper or just some more to eat. But the fishing should only get better. Okay, that rain stopped, and it's been a while since we've caught anything. But that wind's calmed down a lot. The tide's obviously a lot higher. I just had some good bites, so I think the fish have come around now. Let's see. Okay, the boys, well, you know, they're getting a little bit impatient, and so they went back. I've stayed here. Yeah, that wind is starting to pick up pretty bad now, but those bites are also picking up, so I'll let you know when I'm hooked up. Okay, we all don't know how I can see this, but the best I can do. This feels like a small one. There we go. It's pretty small, but the bites are definitely picking up. Okay, it's been bait after bait. I'm just getting absolutely pillaged out there. So I'm sticking on a big one, seeing if I can get a big dog. Okay, look at that. Pretty bright rainbow. I'm just hoping something's gonna pick it up. There's heaps of nibbles, but not much action at all. Just a couple small baby snapper around, that's it. Okay, last bait, there's no serious action. We're going back. Nothing so far. Okay guys, that's the end of this video. Don't know how long it's gonna be, but pretty good. Very slow. Been here for about 5 hours, probably a bit more. And yeah, I got a 12-pound snapper, which was really nice. A couple smaller ones. Nathaniel and he got what was it, 8-pounder and a 4-pounder. So yeah, that's pretty good. But if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe, like, share and comment down below.
Come on guys, get off the couch, come outside and have fun.